Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel PlayLearn Family. Where is the National Sports of India 2024? Answer: State of Uttarakhand. The National Games of India for 2024, also known as the 38th National Games and informally as Uttarakhand 2024, will take place from 26th October to 9th November 2024 in the state of Uttarakhand. What new sports are in the Olympics in 2024? Answer: skateboarding, sport climbing, surfing and breaking. These four non-traditional sports that captivated audiences at the Paris Games. Breaking, also known as break dancing, made its Olympic debut. Skateboarding, sport climbing and surfing all first appeared at the 2020 Tokyo Games. Who will sponsor Paris Olympics 2024 in India? Answer: Indian brands like Radico Khaitan, Adani Group, and JSW sponsor athletes for Paris Olympics. Reliance Foundation's India House collaborates with Coca-Cola and Omega. Which major sports event will take place in Paris in 2024? Answer: the 2024 Summer Olympics, officially the Games of the XXXII Olympiad and branded as Paris 2024. Is an international multi-sport event taking place from 24th July to 11th August 2024 in France, with the opening ceremony having taken place on 26th July. What is the most popular sport in the world 2024? Answer: soccer continues to reign supreme with 4 billion fans globally, according to 2024 statistics. Cricket and basketball maintain massive followings, with billions of fans tuning into major events. Discover how sports like volleyball and table tennis are captivating audiences worldwide. Which sport will be dropped from the 2024 Olympics? Baseball and softball. A total of 4 sports will make their return to the Olympics, including baseball and softball, which will return after being on hiatus during the 2024 Paris Games. Which international sports events has India hosted? Answer: Sport in India. India has hosted several international sporting events, including the 1951 and 1982 Asian Games, 1987, 1995, and 2016 South Asian Games, the 2010 Commonwealth Games, the 2014 Lusophonia Games, the 1987, 1996, 2011, 2016, 2021 Men's Cricket World Cups, and the 1978, 1997, 2013, and 2016 Women's Cricket World Cups. Which is declared national sport of India? Answer: hockey. Hockey is the national sport of India. The remarkable performance of the Indian hockey team in the Olympics prompted the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports to declare it the national game of India. The Indian team had won 8 gold medals, 1 silver, and 3 bronze medals between 1928 and 1956. Is Kabaddi the national game of India? Answer: no, Kabaddi is not the national game of India. It is a very popular sport in India and has a huge following, but it has not been officially declared as the national game. Why is breaking an Olympic sport in 2024? Answer: the International Olympic Committee added breaking, more commonly known as breakdancing, to the sports program in Paris because President Thomas Bach and his colleagues thought it would attract the younger, social media savvy viewers that they were seeking. Which city will host the Olympic Games in 2024? Answer: Paris. Does the 2024 Olympics have cricket? Answer: however, cricket won't make an appearance at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Instead, cricket lovers will have to wait until the Los Angeles 2028 Games to see their favorite sport at the marquee event. Is 2024 a special year? Answer: 2024 is a leap year. 2024 is a leap year, which means here is an extra day in February. Why do we have leap years? It takes approximately 365.25 days for Earth to orbit the Sun, a solar year. When added, 40.25 days roughly equal one full day. What is 2024 the International Year of? Answer: Year of Camelids. The UN has designated 2024 as the International Year of Camelids. Camels, llamas, alpacas, vicuñas and guanacos are an important source of livelihood for millions of families, most of them pastoralists, in dryland and mountainous rangeland ecosystems around the world. What is the slogan of Paris Olympics 2024 India? Answer: The slogan for the Paris 2024 Olympics was "Games Wide Open." This phrase captures the essence of the games, emphasizing boldness, creativity, and a departure from traditional models. It welcomes people from all over the world to witness an inclusive, responsible, and equal Olympics. How many medals won India in the Olympics in 2024? Answer: India's campaign at the 2024 Paris Olympics ended with a total of 6 medals, 1 silver and 5 bronze. While the list of medal winners includes some familiar names, it also introduces fresh talent, now poised for a promising future. What sports are proposed for the 2024 Olympics? Answer: Paris 2024 submitted its proposal to the IOC to integrate 4 additional sports closely associated with young people and reward creativity and athletic performance. These sports are breaking, making its Olympic debut, sport climbing, skateboarding, and surfing. What was the Olympic ceremony about 2024? Answer: The 2024 Paris Games are coming to a close, and now spectators are looking toward LA 2028. California artists Etya the Red Hot Chili Peppers, Billie Eilish and Snoop Dogg performed as a nod to the next host city. Actor Tom Cruise also did a stunt for the handover. What big event is happening in Paris in 2024? Answer: Here is a list of locations that will be hosting the Paris Olympic Games this 2024. Stade de France, located in Paris Saint-Denis district. This iconic stadium will be welcoming audiences to enjoy a jaw-dropping opening ceremony, as well as a closing ceremony to see off the games once they come to an end. What is the Olympic mascot in 2024? Answer: Olympic Frige. Flying the flag for Paris 2024 are the Olympic Frige and Paralympic Frige mascots. They are present on more than 150 merchandise items in the Olympic shop alone, including water bottles, baby rattles, tote bags and baseball caps. The little red creatures also appear as plush toys. Whose national game is cricket? Answer: One of the most popular sports in the world is cricket. Cricket is the recognized national sport in a total of 7 nations that are Antigua and Barbuda, Australia, Barbados, Grenada, Guyana, and Jamaica. Who invented hockey in India? Answer: The British. Taught by the British, India conquered the world. Introduced in the Indian Army during British rule, hockey attracted the masses so much so that India won a hat-trick of gold medals not once but twice. Is India ever hosted Olympics? Answer: Africa has yet to host an Olympic Games. Other major geographic regions that have never hosted the Olympics include the Middle East, Central Asia, the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, the South Pacific, Central America, and the Caribbean. What is the biggest sport event in India? Answer: Major international sporting events annually held in India include the Chennai Open, the Mumbai Marathon and the Delhi Half Marathon. The country hosted the first Indian Grand Prix in 2011. Where are the World Games in 2024? Answer: Hong Kong, China. The inaugural leg of the World Games series will take place in Hong Kong, China, from 11 to 13 October 2024. Is 2024 a tiger year? Answer: Tiger Zodiac in 2024. Journeying through opportunities and challenges. As we embrace the dynamic energy of the Wood Dragon year in 2024, Individuals born under the Tiger zodiac sign are poised to encounter a year filled with a mix of opportunities and challenges. Please subscribe for my channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment for more videos. Thank you for watching.